Okay, so this next one I'm going to tell a little bit more of a story with because it's a funny story. Now, wasn't out of time. So those of you that don't know, my day job is that I build missiles. And I was doing that in the middle of the desert because where else would they choose to do that? And I met this guy that I was working with out there, and he's from Houston. And during COVID in 2020, we've been seeing each other, and then I went home to Savannah for a little while, and then he was in Houston, and the whole plan was for me to drive back through on the way back to Tucson and stop in Houston and meet his family. I should have known from the start because he's an Astros fan and they're cheaters, and we don't accept that. But anyway, so I met his family, and then he ghosted me right after, and our whole friend group never heard from him again. So he's kind of dead to us now. But this song's called Houston a Hurricane, and it's about that drive to his house whenever things were still kind of hopeful, and we spent 14 hours on the highway in the middle of a hurricane. Super, super fun. Seen all your blue skies, darling, danced underneath that Texas moon, like those stars you had me falling. Now I ain't seen one cloud block my view. Loved you when it's easy. That song's not out on Spotify yet, but I do have another song about him that's like my Drake diss track, and I can see on Spotify that he listens to it like every day.